Hey everyone, welcome back. Now that you have your Bitrix24 account, let's take a quick tour of the main interface so you know where everything is. When you first log in, you'll see your main dashboard. Think of this as your home screen. It shows your tasks, recent activity, and important updates. You can customize the widgets here to see what matters most to you. Now, look at the top of the screen. You'll see the main navigation menu. This is your gateway to all of Bitrix24's tools. Click on Time to track work hours or messages for the team chat. The most important section is on the left side. This is the Applications menu. Here you'll find all the powerful tools like tasks and projects, the CRM for managing customers, and sites for building web pages. You can click any of these to jump right in. If you ever feel lost, just click the home icon to return to your main dashboard. And that's the basic tour. The dashboard, top menu, and left-hand applications menu are your three key areas. If this overview was helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. See you next time.